So if you would click on File, hover your cursor over New, and then select Sequence. Under your sequence presets, you should see a folder called Custom. If you would click on it to expand it, you could see all your custom sequence presets. So in order to backup, export, and then import all your custom sequence presets, follow these steps. First, close your Premiere Pro, and then open File Explorer, open Documents, open Adobe, open Premiere Pro, open your Premiere Pro's version, find the folder that begins with profile and then hyphen and then your username. Open it. In here, find a folder called Settings. Open it and then open Custom. Here you should see all your sequence presets. So go back to the previous folder and then copy custom folder and then paste it onto your USB pen drive. Close all your folders and then eject your USB drive. So after installing Premiere Pro on a new computer, you could see there is no custom folder in sequence presets. So in order to import it, close Premiere Pro and then open File Explorer, open Documents, open Adobe, open Premiere Pro, open the folder with the number of your latest Premiere Pro version, and then open the folder beginning with profile. If you got more than one, then make sure it's a profile that contains the same username that you use to log in into your Windows. So open the profile folder and then open the settings folder. And if you have never created a custom sequence presets, then you won't have any folder called custom. So then simply go to your pen drive, copy the custom folder, and then come back to the settings folder and then paste it in here. And now if you would open the custom folder, you could see all your sequence presets. In case you already had preset files in the custom folder, then you could simply copy the ones that you don't have in here. Now, if you would open Premiere Pro, select File, New, and then select Sequence, then you should see the custom folder in the Sequence Presets tab. And if you would click on it to expand it, you could see all your sequence presets are successfully imported. Now you can simply select any one of them and create a new sequence.